Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these passion twists. They're 18 inches, super light. Took me a few days to film the intro, so this is days later after the video because I got really sick. So yeah. For this next part, you were just seeing blow drying my hair. I don't know why I felt the need to record this part because I didn't even show my hair wet. I just showed it dry, which is like, why did you do that? No, but just a warning, I don't show me doing my edges at the end because a few days after I made this video, I got super sick. And so the intro and everything is just from like probably like a week and a half later from the time I actually did the style, but enjoy the video. Alright, so first and foremost, the hair. This is the hair that I use, well, that I'm using this time. This is just the Lulu Tress hair. I love this hair. It's in the color 2 because I am a natural brown. Oh, I feel like I had a sneeze coming. No, okay, I was just tripping. Okay. These are already pre-twisted or whatever. I like to untwist them and then just crochet them through my hair and then like retwist them. It sounds like a lot when I say it out loud, but I promise it's not a lot. I love this hair. I just got 18-inch. They also sell 24-inch if you want something longer. Anything after that, I'm pretty sure they don't sell. The hair was about, I'm using, well, I bought 5 packs, but you only need 4.5, but I buy the 5th one for the half. Yeah, this hair is really nice and it has little curly ends and it's super cute. Oh, that's another thing I want to mention. The hair is $8 a pack at the beauty supply I got it from. It should be maybe a little bit cheaper, like by $1 at a different beauty supply store. It just depends on, you know, your area and what, you know, what price goes to what price. But I bought 5 packs, so it's about 40 bucks. So yeah. Next, you're gonna need your handy dandy crochet hook. This is the one I have. Obviously, like everyone literally has this one. I don't know why I said that like it was something special, even though it's not. Anyway, next, some moisturizer. So this is leave-in conditioner by Olive Oil Originals. It's just like this. Love it. Smells amazing. Next is just this is the moisturizer I love to use. It is by BB. It's the Maximum Strength Moisturizer and it has castor oil in it and it just smells so good and it just keeps the ends sealed and everything together. It's really nice. Next, the most important thing you will need is this edge wax. This is literally the most important thing you need. Like, scratch everything else. If you can't afford to get anything else, get this. Like, it works so well. This is just the Murray's edge wax. It works really good. I use this on literally all of my clients. It just works amazingly. Yeah, this costs about $5. You're looking at about $5, yeah, for this little thing. Yeah, $5. Next, this is the edge control I like to use. It's by Edge Booster. It works really good. It has argan oil in it. It's really light on your edges. It's not too icky. It smells amazing. Please be sure to take any oil of your choice and put it all over your rubber bands and just massage the oil into your rubber bands. This prevents any type of breakage.
You know what? This is a damn travel one. Why don't I just stay here and let them eat it quickly? It'd be a shame to let it go to waste. What were you thinking? He was bored. He wanted to get out and have some fun. So you took him to a bar?
So I'm just about to pre-part all my hair and then come back and then show how to do the twist. Okay, I got a little carried away. So this is what I got done so far. So yeah, I forgot to come back, but it's okay because I'm back now and I'm about to show you how I do one of these twists. So first you want to take your, I almost said lock. First you want to take your twist and untwist it. You want to pay attention to which way the twist is going to, if you want your twist to be uniform and all going the same way. So if they're not, it's going to give that messy like boho look, and I like that, but it's just not today. Okay, so this twist is going the way that I normally twist, so just go from the bottom and untwist. Do not, I repeat, do not try going from the top and just trying to like put your finger through this loop and run it down, because it's not gonna work. It's literally not gonna work. So just take your time, go from the bottom of the twist and untwist it, because that's just what you should do. Instead of trying to rush. Okay, boom. Now that our twist is already untwisted, I like to comb through the piece of hair first, put a little bit of product on it take the hair, split it into 2 sections. Oh wait, it was a piece of hair on my thing. I take the hair, split it into 2 sections like this. Okay, this part I'm gonna get real close. Let me see. Make sure they're the same length at the bottom. Take some product, combing through both the areas, and I'm gonna just begin to twist. Do some more product. Don't be stingy with your product. That's people's problems. Make sure you put the product on the ends of your hair so that you can make sure they're really sealed, and then keep twisting. Right before you get to the ends, after you put a lot of product on the ends where your hair ends, comb. I like to comb my hair with the twist hair to really blend it. I put some more product and then I just twist. And yeah. Oh, also I like to, when I get towards the end, I like to put a little knot in it because I'm just used to doing that when I do my hair, so.
Here you will see me just blow drying my twist. This is only because I'm about to go to bed and I want all the product to be dry and not like sticky, which it does dry by itself. This is only because I'm about to go to bed. If I weren't going to bed, I would just leave it as is and go about my day.
If you made it to the end of this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend.